Hello everyone, welcome back to Plants vs. Zombies ECLISE. So last time we finished out Wild West, and somehow I beat S-12 in 2 tries. I have no idea how, because this is not an easy level. And we even knocked out the old queens. And now it's time to move on to a new world. A world that I have not played since 2021. In fact, if you really think about it, 7-2 should be the level that I've gone the absolute longest without ever playing. So I really have no idea what's going on in Big Wave Beach. But I'm sure it shouldn't be too bad, right? User Dave, data suggests that we should beware the tides. When the tide comes in, it'll be a wipeout for our plant friends. Indeed, but the tide line indicates how high the water will rise. Plan accordingly. No problemo, we'll just lay down some lily pads. Then the other plants can ride the waves. Or as the vernacular of this era goes, they can hang 10. There may be zombies lurking underneath, though. Stay sharp. As sharp as you are, Penny. Such vanilla dialogue. Anyway, it's normal, completely normal level. And now lily pad is a must bring. Alright, what should I actually bring though? Like, we don't even have Tango Kelp yet, actually. We can squash early bucketheads. We can... I'm just gonna use Repeater, because I don't even know how often I use them now. And, what? Oh, tall nuts. Tall nuts can go in the water. Oh wait, what am I thinking? Rutabaga can go in the water too. That's perfect. And then I'll support the rutabagas with Snow Pea, because we don't use him much. And then we'll end this off with Astalia. Have I expressed before how much I like Big Wave Beach music? Honestly, I don't even need lily pads. But the thing is, rutabaga can actually float on the water because it has little helicopter blades. No lily pad required. It's not gonna kill that zombie by itself. I need another one. There we go. I think we're good right now. This level's just teaching you about the tide. You can just see it's going up, and then it'll probably go up to this column, and then, see, look. Rutabaga does not drown. I will put this here just for symmetry, because, you know, why not? I don't even really, like, need anything else at the moment. We don't really need lily pads at all. We have rutabaga and we have tall nut. I think the whole thing with tall nut is that it's probably supposed to be planted in water because it's tall, so it could, like, peek over the water due to its height. I think that's why they made it in ECLISE, so that it can be planted in water. But they couldn't I don't think they could, like, change the animation of how tall that is in the water, so it looks very weird. It's just sitting on top of it. It's very strange. Probably gonna get a low tide soon. Alright, when's the low tide gonna happen? Is it gonna happen at the flag? Yep. Oh, but they spawned back there. That's not too bad. Oh, they've really pulled the tide back. Wow. They pulled it all the way back. They took the term low tide to heart. I kind of like that. I don't know how often Vanilla Big Wave Beach really does that. I feel like I should mention Big Wave Beach in Vanilla. Big Wave Beach in Vanilla is known for being really, really hard. Compared to most other worlds. It's kind of just because it spams dangerous special zombies, and there's really just a couple levels with annoying objectives. I mean, I can list them out. There's Day 16, which is just complete RNG conveyor belt hell. Like, that one's actually bad. Day... is it 25 you have to, like, not lose plants, and 28 it's... I think 28 is you don't lose plants. 25 is something else. I think 28's the bad one. 28 is the one where there's, like, a really strict plant loss, but you have, like, fishermen and gargantuars and everything. And as far as I'm aware, there's literally two ways to beat it. Infinite plant food or grind out sun to pelt them with magnifying grass. Which, I don't even know if people knew that magnifying grass was good when Big Wave Beach came out. And then Day 30 was one with endangered crocodiles, and that one's bad too. This is what I was kind of expecting with the low tides. Yeah, Big Wave Beach and Vanilla was actually really hard. Which, I mean, Vanilla was kind of hard, but you didn't actually see a lot of bad stuff in it. Oh wait, there can't be a low tide, because the tide's already low. Fine. There we go, we're chilling. And now we have Tangle Kelp. So this is just going to be our early game instant for all of Big Wave Beach, basically. It's only even has a purpose in Big Wave Beach. Ooh. Conveyor. What's this? Insert a Tangle Kelp conveyor. That's very vanilla of you, good P. With Pea Shooter. Admittedly, it's like practically every level in ECLISE. Practically every conveyor level has Pea Shooter as one of the plants. Like, I don't know if you've noticed that, but they love giving you Pea Shooter. Technically, one Pea Shooter can take out one Conehead. I have Chili Bean. That's nice, I suppose. It's tier 3, I don't know what that does. You have to get Tangle Kelped. I think you're fine to be where you are. Spore. Okay. Okay. It's interesting to say the least. Can you stun these guys for me real quick? Okay. I don't care which one of them eats it, as long as it's one of them. Which, I mean, of course it's one of them. Okay, at least I have an attacker in every lane. I have an extra spore there. Okay, I need something to support the top. Can I get you Snorkel, or... No, it got the basic instead. Okay, it's gonna stun the Buckethead for a while, though, until I can get a Tangle Kelp for it. I mean, my conveyor's being full up with lily pads, but I don't really need lily pads. Can I just like throw these out? Also, now that I have a low tide, I can't Tangle Kelp this Buckethead, so I better get a Chili Bean pretty soon. I can't Tangle Kelp it. I have to Chili Bean. Okay. Okay, that at least does raw damage. No, because they're tier 2, it keeps refreezing them. Now I want to hold on to my Chili Bean so I can see what I'm actually going to kill. And knocked off the bucket. That kills one of them. It wasn't the Conehead. Oh, you know what? I don't think tier 3 Chili Bean's gas lasts very long. Also, do catapults just, like, not attack Snorkel? Okay, at least now I'm winning instead of losing. This genuinely feels like I'm playing the level for the first time. This is cool. Okay. Okay, the thing is, I don't wanna kill the Snorkeler by mistake. Okay, that should get the backward Buckethead. It actually got the front. Wow. Tangle Kelp's got some range. Okay, I'll get the snorkeler, I think, but at least then we'll be pelting down the zombies with other stuff. Okay, yeah, we actually did get the buckethead. Nice. Oh, that's insulting, but okay. (7-3). Nice little level there. Alright, 7-4. What are you, 7-4? Normal level with snorkel zombies, imps, and the entire lawn can go underwater. Which means that lily pad is a must, and I am going to use rutabaga again. If I can find it, there we go. Tangle kelp, definitely. I feel bad using the exact same strategy as 7-2, but I kind of want to use the exact same strategy as 7-2. You know what? Instead, let's put endurians on lily pads, just to spice things up a bit. And then for the early game, I suppose we can still, and such, we can still bring squash. And maybe cherry bomb too. There we go. Yeah. Flooded area. The lawn is indeed going to be quite the flooded area in this level. Hello, imp. I think I can still get another rutabaga right now. Okay, there we go. Those imps are right in between the killing zone. I don't know what to say though during like early games of levels a lot of the time, like, cause nothing's happening. I don't know. Any thoughts on Poppy Playtime Chapter 4? That just came out, at least when I'm recording this, it just came out. Seems a little controversial. I kind of get it. I haven't played it. I've actually only played Chapter 1 myself, but I have seen people play a lot of the other chapters, especially 2, just because 2 was so broken on release that it was a very entertaining game to speedrun, and I need a Tangle Kelp. Oh, I did have the sun. Okay. Symmetry. Now, where do I want my Endurians to be? I could get behind putting Endurians, like, on this column. Anyway, yeah. See, Chapter 3 still looks like it had a lot of interesting gameplay in it. Like, that catnap boss fight was cool. Chapter 4, actually no, what's... God, I haven't watched a lot of stuff from it, but there was, that animal thing. Its name escapes me at the moment. But there's this weirdly hard section with it, and that looked kind of fun, honestly. Too bad I literally can't remember the name of it. I don't know, I think, I don't think it seems too bad. Oh, now the tide is actually coming up. Good thing I have Rutabaga, and just like a fact, don't care about your feelings. Rutabaga does not care about the water or the tides. Is that gonna target the snorkel? No. I need to learn Tangle Kelp's targeting, because it's pulled out for me several times in a row, but that doesn't mean it always will. I'm scared, kind of. I want to know exactly how to use Tangle Kelp properly. Oh, Mayday, Mayday. Good news, the Endurians are just gonna hold them off. Also, look at this. This Rutabaga can barely hit anything. I might turn it into a sunflower, but no, because we're already making back our sun. If anything, I should be digging up these top ones, because the Rutabagas on these diagonals can still hit stuff. But I'll wait to do that. Because I think we should be replacing the Endurians, because zombies are always going to get bites off of them. Like, the Bucketheads usually make it pretty far, and the Snorkel zombies aren't going to get hit by anything until they have to get up to eat the Endurians, so... yeah. Snorkel zombies are interesting, though, because they're like a special zombie that isn't that bad. Like, all the other Big Wave Beach specials are, like, atrocious to deal with. Like, Octo-zombies, Fisherman zombies, Surfer zombies. None of them are fun to fight. Snorkel... He's kind of there. He's like the prospector of this world, or the Ra of this world. Except, well, he's easier to deal with than Prospector, but more relevant than Ra. I say we keep migrating back. The Bucketheads on top can last a while. Ooh, I need to replace that one. Oh, Mayday, Mayday. Actually, I ate a couple. Yeah, that one needs to be replaced immediately. There we go. The rutabagas kill the imps fast enough they barely have enough time to eat them. The tide rises fast here. This level would actually probably be a little bit tough without rutabaga, but I mean, I feel like rutabagas' main purpose half the time is for big wave beach levels. Like, that is where it works best. You know there's probably going to be a very difficult to deal with low tide on the final wave, though. Oh no, it just finally rose all the way to the left. That's not too bad. Especially when I can do this. There we go. Shard Guard. In vanilla, you'd unlock this guy in Frostbite Caves, but we get to make use of him in Big Wave Beach. Shard Guard was really good in vanilla because you had hardly any knockback plants. I mean, it's still good now. It's like he's like a kind of limited use area knockback thing. I'll show you. Oh, it's you. Hi. I was wondering when this guy would show up. Oh, and no bikini zombies, it's only pompadours. Not like that really matters, they're the same stats-wise, but... Well, I mean, they gave us Shard Guard, I'll use Shard Guard. Okay, I want to use something other than rutabaga this time. Well, other than rutabaga, lily pad is a necessity. I'm gonna bring pepper polt. I don't know if sap actually works in the water. I'm not gonna try it right now. Well, in that case, Colonel. We all miss Colonel, right? Alright, we need to get to plants and lily pads, though, because this time we're actually not using rutabagas, so... Why did it make such a weird brain sound there? Actually, that's not gonna kill him. That surfer zombie appeared very early. I wasn't gonna kill him with one pepper bolt. The Colonel Pepper combo is good. I mean, I'm sure you learned that from me beating S-12 so quickly with it. Alright, butter him. Yeah, the surfer zombies are fast. That's the problem with them. Is there a low tide? No, okay. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how tough it is to raw damage the surfers. Ah. Okay. Shut the fuck up, Windows. One of them might get... Oh, no, we raw damaged him. By some miracle. Yeah, we keep killing them before they can plant their surfboards down. That's good. I need to use Shard Guard more effectively. Yeah, it's knockback. Oh, and it knocks them... interesting. So it knocks them from, when they're surfing, it'll make them not surf. Oh, that's bad, though. On the top, that is very bad. And then, once it runs out of leaves, it just stays, and it kind of acts like a miniature wall. As I mentioned, surfer zombies are kind of buggy, and you can never quite tell where their surfboard is going to land. Oh, and I just realized I was supposed to show off Shard Guard and I barely did, but whatever. How good is its knockback? Distance. Now it's like 4 tiles. That's pretty good. Okay. Alright, now, what faces us here? Because we've gone a while without like any sort of proper mini-gamey thing. Oh, we did a conveyor, that's something. Oh boy. Dudes, you're like totally in for it now. The deep-sea gargantuars have their slimy sights on you. You can run, you can swim, but you can't escape their scaly grip. Later losers, signed Doc Zomboss. Ugh, that dude is totally gnarly. He is also quite unpleasant, User Dave. Quite unpleasant. Okay. Very big wave beach. Oh. Oh, it's this level. I do remember this level. I do remember this level. Okay. Well, it's pretty obvious we bring Sunflower and then instant. Tangle Kelp. And, Cherry Bomb, I guess. Where's the tide line? Oh, it's all the way at the left. Call Power can fly, though, too, I believe. So, here we go. This is the level that shows you how to use Call Power. It's pretty long from what I remember, which is good, though, because, oh boy, Call Power, it takes a while to set him up. As you can see, he recharges slower than Cherry Bomb, and costs an obscene amount of sun. And, I mean, I can't really Tangle Kelp this zombie, so I'm just gonna do this. I mean, I'll probably put Sunflowers at the back, because although I'm going to be putting Call Powers at the back, we're probably not even going to be able to get up 3. Call Powers recharge is what makes it difficult to use. But the Sun Cost and Recharge are both needed, because otherwise Call Power would be insanely OP. Also, just realized, in case you didn't know, like, when you were playing this level probably is also here to teach you that you can plant Tallnut in water now. It's kinda cool. I didn't know when in the world this level was, but I did remember this level, because it's a bit interesting, for sure. Okay, now we have to save. Like, easier said than done. Alright, I'll Tangle Kelp one of these bucket heads. Yeah, I didn't move the wave, we're fine. This Buckethead probably eats that Rutabaga, but we have a lot of stuff firing on it at least. Yeah, well, womp womp, I guess. No, 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 don't eat the sunflower. Okay, good, it only took out the Tallnut. I need this. I'm sorry, I need that for now. We're on a chill wave at the moment. Okay, alright, got it. We got one out. Once you get 2, you're good. I didn't mean to put it in that space. That'll probably do something. I meant to tangle help you. I'm really bad at clicking today. Okay. Look, just give enough time and it'll wipe out the whole board. Now, something to note about Call Power, something very important, is that it prioritizes basics over special zombies. Which isn't always a bad thing, because basics can be bucketheads, and bucketheads are pretty good at surviving stuff. Now, it can't target gargantuars. That isn't... That's just it doing damage to gargantuar, we're fine. It can't target gargantuars. Even if it's alone, it's not going to target the gargantuar. So you gotta be battering down gargantuar with everything else. Watch, as soon as the imp lands, it targets the imp. Or, actually, it waited to target you, but whatever. My point still sort of stands. There we go. Alright. We're good now, though. We've basically won the level. We have 2 Call Powers out. 2 Call Powers kills, like, everything. And we have tons of sun production. Yeah, Call Power kills everything. And now... can do that. I think I hit him. Did I not hit him? I don't think I hit him. I don't think I actually hit him. No, come on. At this point, I don't even know if I have use for the tall nuts. Nothing is going to be chewing on him for long, because they all die to Call Power. Alright, we almost have another one off recharge. Yeah, see, look, they're charged up, but they can't target the Gargantuar at all. I wonder if they also don't like targeting imps, like if they're on the lower priority list, just like special zombies are. I'm not sure. Anyway though, if you have 3 Call Powers out in a level, you're winning. You're not gonna die if you have 3 Call Powers. Oh, no, there we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Tide went all the way back. Okay. Alright, let's actually wait for the Gargantuars to get back here. Alright. Nice. I very much enjoyed that level. So that's how you use Call Power. Okay, now only one problem. I haven't played this secret level in a very long time.